Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video we are gonna talk about the Mad Badal, and we will cover what is the meaning of Mad Badal, and we will practice on some examples. If you wanna know, let's start. I think you have a question now. Why we called it as Mad Badal? Okay, I have this answer for this question. Because in Mad Muttasil and Mad Munfasil, the letter of Mad comes first, then Hamza. But in Maddul Badal, Hamza comes first, then the letter of Mad. With Maddul Badal, the reader should stretch his sound for two harakas. Let's see some examples. When I say Amanu, so we have Hamza first, then followed by the letter of Mad. So I'll stretch my sound for two harakas. I'll say Amanu, Amanu. Maddul Badal with Waw, I'll say Utu. We have Hamza with Dhamma, then followed by the letter of Mad, Wow. So I'll stretch my sound for two harakas. I'll say Utu, Utu. Alhamdulillah, in this video we have covered what is the meaning of Maddul Badal, and we have practiced on some examples. I think that's all I can say, inshallah, in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam.